Hey, scientists. Welcome to your fourth and final week of online continuous learning for Earth and Space Science. We have learned quite a bit in the last few weeks, being that we're online, and most of that has been about natural resources, soil, water, air. And what we're going to finish is now bringing that all together for some resource management. Lucky for you, this week we're actually only going to have a multiple choice quiz. You don't have to worry about a written final answer. But in giving just a multiple choice quiz and being that it is the final assessment, we will not be doing any reassessment. So it's really important that you work hard to take care of taking good notes, taking notes from the videos you watch, and any of the assignments that you do. Okay, here's what you're going to do for the week. You are first going to go to this link right here and click it, and it's going to give you the resource management introduction. What that will look like once you click that is this lovely guy. You'll push play and learn about some resource management principles and some new vocabulary. Once you are finished with that video, you're going to then go to step 2 and you're going to watch Plastic Bottle Life Cycle. That is going to be an Edpuzzle. So you can click this link and that'll bring you to the Edpuzzle site. If you have forgotten your login, just contact your teacher by emailing them. The video that you're going to watch looks like this, the life cycle of a plastic bottle. You will have a few questions throughout that. Take note of those questions. Once you are done watching that Edpuzzle, you'll do the last bit of the learning activity here by clicking here, and this is going to wrap up a discussion on what happens to plastic bottles. And once you click that, you'll notice that our notes start with plastic problem. So this finishes the discussion and the notes for this week of learning. Once you're done with the notes, you're then going to do an assignment in Newsela. You should have the login codes for Newsela from your teacher. They were given out many weeks ago. If you do not have your login, if you've forgotten it, or you have not logged into Newsela yet, make sure you email your teacher. You can go to this link, which takes you to the Newsela site, but then you're going to have to log in. Once in there, you're going to read an article called Eat This Spoon. That article looks like this. Eat This Spoon. And then once you read the article, scroll down and read it. It's not super long. You're going to click over here on the right where it says activities and hit this where it says write. And then you have 5 questions that you are going to answer. Make sure that you write these questions in your notes along with the answers in your notes. The answers will not be hard to find. They are straight from the article. It is a nice reading comprehension assignment, culminating the lessons. Excuse me. Once you're done with those 5 questions and you place those answers in your notes, then you're going to be ready for your assessment. Again, make sure you have all notes written and ready in front of you. You will click here to take the 10-point assessment. As you can see, this is an open note quiz. It will be all multiple choice questions. Notice, FYI, no reassessment opportunity. Also realize that this week's work is due by noon next Thursday, May 28th, because we have to get our grades in after that. It is due by noon. So if you have any questions on this week's material, please make sure that you ask your teacher and send them an email.